This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools. Hey guys, welcome back. We're here at the Rocky Mountain Rep Festival. Got the car here. I actually got to drive it in. They wouldn't let me do any donuts, so you don't see any tire marks on the concrete. But what are you gonna do, right? Anyway, lots of people here doing really cool 3D printing stuff. We hope to get the car signed by everybody and have stickers put on it, and just, you know, have a lot of fun with this whole project here before we take these panels off and go with the SVJ. So stay tuned. We'll have more from the Rocky Mountain Rep Festival. Well, I guess that's something you can do.
Yeah, so soon they will.
Come on. Hey.
Oh, Joe! Dude, you beat your previous score. That's all you can ask for.
There you go.
And Adam, that puts you in third place. Third place.
There we go.
Thank you.
Dave, you want to give it a go?
Hey, and don't worry about that. Like, it worked out.
Yeah.
Hey, Sterling.
Hey, what up?
Okay, Dave. Hold on. Let me get you in here. Are you in over here? Okay.
So what Joel's doing here is he's got an accelerometer in a cube, and basically
All right, Ajax.
you've got to
So basically,
pull it up as fast as you can to try to get the best acceleration.
It's wheel, right?
should I put it on the table?
W-H-E-E-L-E-R.
So I got to the top, but since I'm a vendor, I don't get a count. All right, so we're gonna see somebody go here.
The goal is to pick it up as fast as you can. And you don't have to go up here. You just have to get it off the table. When you are ready, you can go. How's this?
Hey, Joel, we're going to do some cutting.
Okay, yeah, when you're ready. Okay, watch the...
Oh yeah.
Dude, you got a wow. You can stick with that? Okay. Dave, I'm submitting your score. You are now in third place. A solid third place. Come back later to see if you can get top score.
Probably like 6 or something, or 7-ish. That's why then I should be back home for more. But then
Go.
So no. Wait, I saw what you're doing. You are saying you don't have to go right when he says go. Just go.
Okay, great. I think I wanted a couple of things today. Yeah. I'm just standing at the room all the time.
So I took home some glue. We're gonna go and we're gonna see what it does with ASA. So I hear it's very, very good for PLA and PETG. So you may want to check them out. But let's go check out the parts that I put together and see how it worked. I mean, is it better than ABS glue from Lowe's? Let's go and find out. And on this episode of What You Printing, well, nothing in there because I need to give it another job. You can see we've got most of one of the rear quarter panels. This is the driver's side, almost done. There's something interesting that happened there, so we'll talk about that in a minute. And then we're doing some trim pieces for the 600 LT. That's one of the door trim pieces. We'll show you the other ones that we've already done. And then over here on our trusty K1, the one that has been just going non-stop for the longest time, this one now has 3,000 hours on it. Our Surmoon over here has 2,500 hours on it. So both of these Creality printers are absolutely wonderful. I can't recommend them enough. They just have been pumping out panels left and right, just like you can see here. So while I was at the festival, I was basically next to these guys in their booth, and they're called Gloop, 3D Gloop. And they make really good glue for, as far as I was concerned, PLA and some of the other 3D printing materials. But they also made an ABS ASA. Now, I usually use this stuff that I buy from Lowe's, okay? And this stuff is not that expensive, but, you know, it's still $6 to $8 a bottle for that little bottle. So it's not what I would call cheap. But I've been using this very successfully. The only problem with this is that it does take a long time to set up, and sometimes it's doesn't really bond the panels perfectly, and so I have to go back over it. I've been trying this stuff recently, and I did it on this panel here, and I think I'm getting a much better quality panel with a lot less gapping and other things going on by using the Gloop. So I highly recommend this stuff now because it's doing a really great job. It sets up faster, which means that I can glue things together much quicker. So this panel, I think, has only been 2 days since I've been gluing it all together. So I can come down every hour or so and put another panel on. So go ahead and check these guys out. I will put a link in the description. Big thank you to Andrew for supplying this bottle of Gloop. And yeah, it's working really fantastic on these 3D prints. So looking forward to using that more and ditching my ABS glue. So I got the speaker covers in. One of the issues is I got a gap here, so we'll fill in that gap. But they actually fit really nicely, as you can see. So I'm pretty happy with the way those turned out. We'll probably do those in carbon fiber just to give it a little extra pizzazz. And the stuff that you saw downstairs was actually these guys being printed. So hopefully we'll get those in soon as well. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the festival. I will put a link.
All right, guys, go for it.
Ready? Okay. So you had the tub, right? Did you have a front end?
No.
No. Did you have a back end?
Sort of.
Okay. I mean, I see McLaren parts
Right.
here.
And there are a lot of McLaren parts here. That quarter panel came with the car.
Okay.
It's a little damaged, but I can save it. This one did not. The one that was there was obliterated.
Obliterated meaning
Destroyed completely. Because the car was actually in a wreck.
Oh.
It was. I'll give you a picture of it. You can see it, how it ended up. But the car was in a wreck and was therefore went to a breaker's yard and then got taken apart.
Okay.
And the parts sold online.
Oh, I see. Oh, because so in a wreck it was totaled and it was parted
Right.
up.
Right.
Oh, I see. Okay, so people like you and others can then acquire the parts
Yes.
from the car.
Yeah.
Or the whole rest of the car.
Yeah,
And
there's
if
a lot of us doing this.
Really?
Car guys doing it. I'm the only one I know of who's using exclusively 3D printing for bringing these cars back from their crash state.
Well, you're the coolest one, obviously.
Thank you.
Before, when you had your Lamborghini project, you spent so much time doing it. I remember you had a single 3D printer.
Correct.
A CR10?
It was a CR10.
A CR10, and then you acquired a Cheetah
Yep.
machine, and then that did some of the ASA parts. But now, like, you're working with Creality for all of the parts that are on this.
That's correct.
So what are you running now?
So what I'm running now is I'm running a K1 Max.
to the 600 LT and Joel's video. I want to thank Joel and David again very much for coming by and spending some time with us and doing the video. It's always so much fun to have those guys around. So please go watch their video. It's really awesome. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do. And then hit that notification bell, hit that like button, all the algorithm things that help us out. And we'll see you guys next time.